Good morning, students. This is the first online video for class 9th mathematics. Children, we start our new session with chapter 2, exercise 2.5, algebraic identities. In this, as we have already studied some identities in class 8th also, like identity 1, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which can be rewritten as this side here and this side here. The second identity is a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The third identity is a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, and so on. One by one, we will discuss these identities with solved examples. As you can see, first of all, we will practice these three identities: a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b, a minus b. One by one, let us discuss these identities. Example: suppose we are having the question expand 3x plus 4y whole square. This is the question you will be getting in the examination. In this identity, what we have to do, just take this 3x as a, this 4y as b, take this plus sign as it is, this bracket as it is, this whole square as it is. So let us take 3x is equals to a and 4y is equals to b. So which identity we should use here? See there, a plus b whole square. So the first identity we will use here. So we write the identity and apply it in the question. This left hand side will become 3x plus 4y whole square when we put a is equals to 3x and b is equals to 4y. Same, we will put the value of a and b in the right hand side. So right hand side will become a square will become 3x whole square, b square will become 4y whole square, and 2ab will become 2 times 3x into 4y. Now, keep one thing in mind, while writing in this manner, the bracket is must. If we don't use bracket, then only x square will be considered. So the bracket is compulsory. So now 3x whole square means we have to take square of 3 as well as the square of x. So 3 square will be 9 and x square is x square. So 3x whole square will become 9x square. Likewise, 4y whole square will become 16y square. And 2 times 3x into 4y will become 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. And x into y is xy. So 2 times 3x 4y will become 24xy. So this is the answer. Same, let us practice next identity. In the second question, expand this. Now just see, students, if we take 3x is equals to a and 4y is equals to b, take bracket as it is, take whole square as it is, and take minus sign as it is. So let us take a is equals to this and b is equals to this. So which identity should we use here? It is very much clear that only a minus b whole square identity will be considered, as I have written here. This is the identity I have written. So write the identity again. Put the values like a की जगह 3x, b के place पर 4y. Left hand side will become 3x minus 4y whole square. Right hand side will become 3x square plus 4y whole square minus 2 times 3x into 4y. Again, as in the previous example, I have shown 3x whole square will become 9x square. As here, 4y square will become 16y square, and it will become 24xy. And this is the answer. Now the last identity I will show you. This is the last identity. See, this is the question, expand this. Here you can see there are two brackets. Both are having the same numbers with opposite sign. In first bracket there is plus sign, and in the second bracket there is minus sign. So take a is equals to 3x, b is equals to 4y. Here also, now it is very much clear that which identity we will use here, a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. Now put the values. a and b in both the sides. Left hand side will become this, right hand side will become this. Again 3x whole square is 9x square, 4y square is 16y square, and this is the answer. So very small identities these are. Now your assignment is given, you have to just solve these questions only. You just solve it, try it, and exercise. All the best.